Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I got some surprise happy mail from the jewel box. This is it. I already took it out of the main mailer. So let's go ahead and pop this open and see what I got. Kind of want to be careful with the packaging because I like to use it for other things. Woo. No, don't get stuck on there. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Let's move these aside. Let's start with this. Let me put something under here so we can see everything. So these are new items that are coming to the jewel box, and they will be part of the Black Shop Owners United sale that is October 2nd through the 4th. So these are not available yet, but this is kind of like your sneak peek of what's to come. I wasn't expecting to receive this so soon, but yeah. So here we go. So we have this beautiful snowflake vellum. It's a nice heavy duty vellum. And it's like textured where the snowflakes are. So it's, you know, you can tell that it's gone through some type of process. It is really, really nice. Look at that. So there's that. That is just, and then we have this acetate with the jewel box logo. Let's make sure I'm looking at it the right way. Okay, yeah, so this is the right way, but that's what it looks like in this hollow foil acetate. So 2 sheets of that. Let's put these over here. Then for the stickers, let's see. So this is the I Am collection. I'm gonna go through these one by one. This is the journaling memes. This is what they look like. This is the collection that has my new favorite doll, her. So I'm definitely gonna be ordering some extras of this. This is Tish, and she's beautiful. And then we have Misha. So Tish is love, Misha is wisdom. Then we have Ebony. She is peace. Lauren is forgive. Then we have Maya, accept. Then we have the kits. So this first one is This Is Me. Then we have Open to Love. Then we have Loving Me. And Comfortable in My Skin. So that's 4 kits. So that's it for what I have for the I Am collection. Now let's move on to Winter Bliss. This is the journal meme stickers. Change with the season, hope, eat, love, pray, blissful. I love these. The color scheme is so pretty. Then we have Winter Bliss Squad. And ooh, we have Grace. We have Aaron, who is peace. Ambition is Coco. Giselle is forgive. Karina is listen. I love these color schemes. Riley is accept. DJ is courage. Okay. Then for the kits, we have Prosperity in Winter. Stand Out in the Cold. And don't forget that the titles are also stickers, so you can use those as well. Let's move some of this up so we have some more room. Give Me Grace. That's beautiful. And then Comfort and Warmth. So I love that none of this is traditional Thanksgiving-y colors or Christmassy colors. It's just an overall winter bliss, a winter feel to all of the colors. So you can use it throughout the season. I like that. So that's going to play a part in how I set up my planner too. Because I'm preparing to set up for the fourth quarter, probably into the first quarter of 2021, and yeah, this gives me a palette to work with that can go all the way through, so that's nice. Okay, so that is everything that I have from the jewel box. So again, the jewel box is part of the Black Shop Owners United sale. The sale is October 2nd through the 4th, and these new designs will be available then. And when you order, make sure you tell them that Rachelle sent you. If you want to order from the website now, you can. I will leave all the information in the description box below. My code is Rachelle15, and the website is thejewelbox.store. Remember, it's thejewelbox.store. Okay, I'll put it all in the description box below. And I know I've been missing a little bit on YouTube, and we'll talk about it when I do my next plan with me, which hopefully I will get to within the next day or so. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Be sure to check that community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.